What's up folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're on another bike ride adventure. We're gonna be biking from Hamilton all the way to Brantford, Ontario. Check it out. We're gonna do the Hamilton Rail Trail right now. I'm just at the entrance of the rail trail here in Hamilton and we're gonna bike all the way to Brantford, Ontario. Let's get to it. Here's the map of the trail right here. They have it right at the beginning of the trail. You can see this is the city of Hamilton. We're starting pretty much right here and then we'll be biking all the way in this direction here through farmlands, fields, mostly uphill towards Brantford, Ontario, which is the next city along Highway 403. Should be about 32 kilometers, give or take. And this trail continues further, but we're just gonna do the Hamilton to Brantford section. And right in the middle, you have the town of Jerryville, which is basically your halfway point. And here's what the entrance of the trail looks like. We're right adjacent to a golf course just over here. The Hamilton Rail Trail is just a trail that they have here, which used to be a rail line that ran from Hamilton to Brantford, but it was abandoned. So they basically turned it into a biking, hiking, multi-use trail. It's just a straight trail all the way between the two cities. Let's see what it's like. All right, let's go. We're about 20 minutes in, peeps. So far so good. The trail isn't fully paved, but it's still rideable because I'm on a road bike right now. Trail is getting busy now, peeps. Kilometers in, folks. We're still going onwards to Brantford. Here's what it looks like in the middle of the ride. I'm about 25 kilometers in and it's just all farmland. Check it out, peeps. We just made it to Brantford, as you can see right here. We're on the rail trail. We've been biking from Hamilton and I've done about 32 kilometers right now. So we just hit the border on the trail here to Brantford and we're gonna continue on the trail. Even though we are in Brantford right now, we're gonna continue to the end of the trail and it should be another 6 or 7 kilometers. And then we're gonna do it all again and head back to Hamilton. It's a pretty cool trail so far. Not bad at all. I have a road bike, so my wheels don't have like all the grips and it did well on this trail. The trail is mostly semi-paved and then there's some regular broken ground. Pretty good trail. Right now I'm at 1 hour 35 minutes. We're almost there, folks. This is the park you end up when you complete the Brantford-Hamilton Rail Trail from Hamilton to Brantford. So you come out right in the middle of Mohawk Park here, one of the major parks here in the city of Brantford. We've just completed the full length of the Hamilton Rail Trail between the cities of Hamilton and the city of Brantford in Ontario, Canada. Another video in our installment on the trail series where I'm biking the main, most popular trails here in Ontario, Canada. It was a great experience. Pretty nice trail, pretty nice ride. It took me about an hour 40 minutes. Obviously I had to stop and film some of the sections, but could take you about an hour 15 minutes if you're going crazy on the trail. I took it pretty easy. I'm about to do that exact trail heading back to Hamilton right now to pick up my car. Yeah, I'm about to hop on that once again. They also have some pretty nice washrooms here once you get to Brantford. One of the better washrooms I've seen on a trail, to be honest. It's accessible as well. Quick pit stop at Tim Hortons for some coffee before I head back towards Hamilton. That's a wrap, folks. We made it back to Hamilton in one piece. Just crossing the 403 bridge right here. We did it! The city of Hamilton provides a water fountain right at the entrance to the trail here, so you can refill your water bottles. Pretty cool. This is going to be where the video ends. Big shout out to all you guys watching these videos. I do appreciate it. Definitely consider subscribing if you like this type of content. We're going to have more videos like this coming up in the next few weeks. I'm doing another trail, the Red Hill Valley Trail, that connects the Great Lakes Waterfront Trail with the Hamilton Mountain area. Definitely excited to check that out and show you guys. Leave a like on the video before you go, and thank you so much for watching as usual. See you in the next video. Take care and peace out from Brantford, Ontario.